Have you ever seen puppet content online, or have you seen puppet shows live and ever wondered how are these puppeteers making their puppets seem so real? How are these puppeteers moving the puppet's mouth and making them talk so that it seems like the words are actually coming out of the puppet's mouth? If you have wondered about it, and if you want to decode and learn this puppetry technique that makes the talking mouth puppet seem so real, then you are at the right place, because today we are going to learn lip sync technique. Hello everybody, I'm Sangya Ojha and this is Socky.
Hello everybody. Welcome to the Puppetarians YouTube channel.
Welcome everyone. This is the channel where we make puppets, learn puppetry, do songs and stories and dance and whatnot. Everything under the sun related to puppets and puppetry. In today's video, we are going to learn how to move the puppet's mouth, how to make it talk, how to sync it with your voice so that it seems like the puppet is really real and it's talking. Are you excited? I am super excited to start this tutorial video. But first, if you want to make a puppet like this, please watch these videos. And if you want to see more technique videos, puppetry technique videos, then we have one on how to use the puppet's hand rods. Maybe you can watch it here. And if our puppet videos help you in your puppetry journey, or if they just bring a smile to your face, why not subscribe to us and like this video and comment on it? This is how you can support channels like us. Okay, so let's get started with this video. First of all, let's wear and hold your puppet right. While wearing your talking mouth puppet, be mindful that you are wearing it in a way where your fingers come to the top part of the puppet's mouth. You know, the puppet's head will rest on your fingers and your thumb is actually at the bottom of the puppet's mouth. So your thumb is actually moving the puppet's chin. Your arm should be straight because this is the body of the puppet. And your wrist should be parallel to the ground on a 90 degree because the eyes are resting on top of your fingers. If your wrist is upwards, the puppet is going to look up, right? And we want the puppet to look at the audience when it's talking to them. So your wrist has to be parallel to the ground or at a 90 degree. Now that your puppet is in a good position to start, let's make it talk. Do you talk with your head or your chin? Please humor me and do this little test with me. Keep a hand on your chin. Come on, yeah, let's do it. Now, say something, anything. Say hi, hello, how are you? Is your chin moving when you talk? Yes, our chin moves when we talk, right? Now keep the same hand on your head and say hi, hello, how are you? Is your head moving when you talk? No, our heads don't move when we talk. If we would talk moving our heads, then we would talk something like this. Hi, hello. But we don't, right? It's clear that only our chin moves when we talk, not our heads. Then why is it so that as soon as a puppet comes on our hands, we start talking like this, moving its head and mouth and everything? No, we've just established that our fingers are at the puppet's head and our thumb is at the puppet's chin, right? So what should move when we want to make our puppet talk? Only its chin, which is our thumb. Only our thumb should move when we want to make the puppet talk. You know, invariably a little bit of finger movements will also be there as you isolate your thumb, but it should not be that you only talk with your fingers. No, you have to keep your fingers as stationary as you can and only try and isolate the thumb when you are making your puppet talk. This is the rule of thumb, pun intended. How to move the thumb? Is that all? Can we randomly move our thumb, the puppet's chin, and it'll seem like the puppet is talking? No. Now that it's amply clear that we only need to move our thumb when the puppet talks, we now need to know how and when exactly to move our thumb as our puppet says words and sentences and poems and sings and dances. Okay, I'll try to make it really simple. This rule can be applied to all sorts of content your puppet is presenting. The rule is you have to move your thumb once every syllable your puppet says. Let me show you how. So if your puppet wants to say hi, hi is a one syllable word. So the puppet mouth will only open and close one time, once per syllable, right? So your thumb will open and close as you open and close your mouth and say hi. 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 Is that clear? Now if it wants to say hello, hello is a two syllable word. Hello. So, hello. Come on, you all also practice with me with just your hands, with just isolating the thumb. Say hello. Hello. How are you? One syllable each. How are you? How are you? I am fine. One syllable each. Thank you. Two syllables, and so on. Now it may seem right now like a lot to practice and achieve, but I promise you it's going to become your second nature. It's going to become easy peasy with time. But as you practice, I want you to be really focused but also really kind on yourself. Sync the puppet's mouth with yours. Another useful tip for puppet lip sync is to only open and close the puppet's mouth as you open and close your mouth to make the puppet speak. Hi. Hi. I'm opening and closing the puppet's mouth at the same time as I open my mouth. Hi. If you open the puppet's mouth a little before you speak, like hi, or a little later after you speak, hi, it'll result in poor lip sync. So maybe in the beginning, as you are learning lip syncing, why not keep the puppet's mouth really close to your mouth? Stand in front of a mirror and try and sync it with your mouth, right? Only moving the thumb once per syllable. Open the puppet's mouth as you open your mouth to talk. Yeah, start slowly in the beginning, and normally you will, just in a matter of days or months, you can reach a normal pace. Then you won't even have to think of how many syllables you're saying, or are you opening and closing the puppet's mouth at the same time as yours. With time, it'll be like an invisible thread is connected from your mouth to your thumb. That is the puppet's mouth. And it'll open and close automatically, but with time and practice. Don't eat up your words, spit them out. Sometimes when we are starting to learn lip sync with puppets, we might fall into the tendency of eating our words up, like closing the puppet's mouth instead of opening and spitting the words out. So remember, while practicing, you have to practice in a way where it seems like the words are actually coming out, falling out of the puppet's mouth. So you can actually practice like this: A, B, C, D. A good point to start the lip sync is with a closed mouth. If you start with a closed mouth, you're only going to open it when you say something, right? Like A, and then close it back again. If you start with an open mouth, then you're going to eat up your words like A. That doesn't seem right. Singing with the puppet. Once you reach a comfortable space lip syncing with your puppet, then maybe your puppet can sing songs and sing while dancing too. It will come with practice. But the rules will remain the same. You only have to move your thumb, not move your fingers. You have to move your thumb once every syllable the puppet is speaking, and you got to sync it with your mouth and throw the words out. Spit the words out, not eat them back in.
Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joys, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
I want to stress this point that please don't be pressurized to lip sync really fast. Practice in the beginning really slowly, and with time you will get to a pace that's fast as you get confident. And always keep a check on your lip sync technique. Practice in front of a mirror or record and watch it again to see if you're lip syncing perfectly and correctly. Keep practicing, do it over and over again till you get it right. That's the point, right?
That's right.
It might happen that while learning and practicing lip sync, you may not be able to move the puppet body that much. That's okay. You can focus just on the lip sync first and then on the movement. And then mixing them together takes a little bit of time. For example, if you want your puppet to say no, it's easy for you. No is one syllable, so moving your thumb once will do. No. But if you want to sync it with a head nod, no, then it might just get difficult for you to combine these things together, the lip sync and the movement. No. It might be difficult, or it might just come to you, really quickly. But if you are in such a fix, then I'd suggest that you say the word first and then do the action. That's all right too. No. That works as well. But with time, it will surely come easy to you to do the action as well as the lip sync together. No,
I mean, yes.
That's all for puppet lip sync techniques for today. I hope I was able to help you with it. Now, what should our next video be on? Various voice techniques for puppet characters, or maybe different emotions a puppet can express with the help of various techniques. You let us know in the comments below, what do you want the next video on? And if you found this tutorial video helpful, please tell us that also in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share this video with other puppetry enthusiasts. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy puppeteering!
Let's play puppets. Yeah! This video is created by the Puppeterians. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon too, so that you never miss another video from us. Let's play puppets!